Hello, good morning everybody. This is Teacher Mark again, and I am back in the classroom. I hope you enjoyed the video yesterday. That was from my house, and we started reading Starman, and we started highlighting in Starman, okay? Today, we're gonna take a break from English. Today, we're gonna do something different. Right now, you need to go and find your social studies book, your English social studies book, okay? Today's lesson will be on English social studies. Teacher Mark teaches social studies every week, but I only teach social studies for 1 hour. If you are in 4A, if you are a student in 4A, you will have social studies on Thursday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. If you are a student in 4B, you will have social studies every Monday at 10 o'clock in the morning, okay? Teacher Mark will teach English every day, but for social studies, I'm only going to teach it for 1 hour every week for each class. Go and get your English social studies book, okay? Also, you need a pencil and you need another blue notebook. This is a new blue notebook. It's not the same as your English blue notebook with your spelling words in it. No. This is a new blue notebook. You're going to have a social studies blue notebook, okay? And Teacher Mark has on the whiteboard behind me the 3 lines for your blue notebook, and I'm going to show you what to write on the blue notebook. So listen and follow me. On the first line of your blue notebook, Teacher Mark wants you to write my name, okay? That's a capital T dot capital M A R K. Teacher Mark, that's me. Now, next to my name, I want you to write a slash. Now I want you to write your name. Your name goes here. If your name is Yada, or PP, or Isaac, write your name here. If your name is Big Bell, or Mirin, or Calhoun, or Donut, or T, you need to write your name here, okay? Kian Chikap, write your name here. Teacher Mark's name, and then your name. On the second line, ready? On the second line, I want you to write the subject, which is social studies. But this is not Thai social studies. This is English social studies. So we're going to write the word English first. Capital E N G L I S H. English social studies. Capital S O C I A L. Social and studies. Capital S T with a dot. If you want to write the whole word for social studies, you can. And you can look at your book if you want to know how to spell it, okay? It says it right here. S-O-C-I-A-L. Studies. S-T-U-D-I-E-S. If you want to write social studies in the full length, you can do that. On the next line, I want you to write your classroom. If you are in 4A or if you are in 4B. Okay, you're going to write that here. 4A or 4B. You write that here. Got it? Do you understand? Okay. So, Teacher Mark, I am in the 4A classroom. I'm going to write 4A. 4A. But, if you are in 4B, you need to write 4B. Okay? So, I'm going to erase the 4A. And I'm going to write 4B. Got it? Great. Teacher Mark is going to erase now, okay? If this is too fast for you, you can stop the video. Bye-bye. All right. Now, before we start reading our book, Teacher Mark would like you to open your blue notebook to the first page, okay? Open to the first page. And get ready because Teacher Mark is going to open this book too. You need two books. Teacher Mark is going to open this book now. And I'm opening it to page, well, it doesn't have a page number, but it's in the beginning. It's called the contents. Can you see it? I'm going to hold it there for you. And I'm going to tell you the truth. In grade 4, we always skip chapter 1. Chapter 1 is on religion, morality, and ethics. This is something that we are not going to learn in social studies. Teacher Mark, we always skip chapter 1 and we go straight to chapter 2. Okay? Chapter 2 is where we are going to start. Don't worry about chapter 1. We're going to chapter 2. Okay? Now, I'm going to write the name of the first unit in chapter 2. And the first unit in chapter 2 is called Being a Good Citizen. Okay? I'm going to hold it here for you. Can you see it? Being a Good Citizen. Teacher Mark is going to write that on the whiteboard. And you need to write that in your blue notebook, okay? So, here we go. This is Unit 1. Being, capital B, E-I-N-G. Being, capital A. Capital G. Good citizen. Capital C. I-T-I-Z-E-N. Being a good citizen. I'm going to underline it. Okay? Don't worry, I know this video is only 15 minutes long and we're just starting this. I'm going to teach more and explain to you in the classroom what this is all about. But right now we're just getting started and we're preparing our blue notebooks. Okay? Now, on this side of me, there are the rules of the classroom. And we have a lot of rules in our school. And we don't have time to go through all the rules today. And Teacher Mark is going to do that again when you come back. But for the first day, right now, with the video lesson, I'm going to write the first 3 rules on the board, and I want you to write that in your blue notebook, okay? So you have this in your blue notebook already. Yep, good. Because now Teacher Mark is going to erase the board. And I'm going to write the rules of the class. Today we're only going to do the first 3 rules. So in your blue notebook, I want you to write capital R, U, L, E, S. Of class. Capital C, L, A, S. And I'm going to put it in a nice cloud. All right. Rule number 1. Rule number 1 is we will sit properly. That's number 1. I'm going to write it on the board. Number 1. We, capital W, will sit properly. P-R-O. P-E-R-L-Y. Period, full stop. We will sit properly. Okay? I'm going to wait. And then I'm going to write number 2 on the board. Number 2 is we will speak politely. That means please and thank you. Those are 2 words you need to use all the time. Capital W. We will speak politely. P-O-L-I-T-E-L-Y. Period, full stop. We will speak politely. That is the second rule. And now rule number 3, and this is my favorite rule, and we're going to be finished after I do this, okay? This is number 3. Right here, it says, we will speak English in English classes. I'm going to write that on the board for you. Capital W. We will speak English with a capital E. Okay, I'm going to switch sides now. We will speak English in capital E, English again. Classes. C-L-A-S-S-E-S. Okay, I'm going to let you look at the whiteboard for a couple of seconds, and then I'm going to say goodbye. And remember, if this is too fast for you, you can always watch the video again. Tomorrow, we're going to do social studies for one more day, all right? Okay, everybody. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Good job, everybody.